Hey, it's Greg from Ontario Motor Sales, and I am here with the 2021 Chevrolet Equinox LS finished in Summit White. Up front, right away, we see the bold black Chevrolet bow tie and the lovely chrome accented grille. To the sides, we have our IntelliBeam daytime running lights. These provide you with smart high beam on and off solutions. Now, it's important to know that the grille actually acts as active aerodynamics, improving not only fuel economy, but also vehicle performance. And looking down here, we have our 17-inch bright aluminum wheels, black mirrors, as well as black trim and body-colored door handles down the side. As we get to the rear, we immediately see another one of those bold black Chevrolet bow ties, as well as the liftgate with a rear integrated park assist camera. This vehicle is seriously capable of taking you on your next great road trip. Coming into the interior, we see our ash gray premium fabric, leading to our heated driver and passenger front seats. And stepping into the vehicle, we have our steering wheel with integrated safety features such as lane keep assist, as well as forward collision alert. Also for the driver's convenience are cruise control buttons, voice and audio as well. And looking at our infotainment center, we have a 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. Coming down, we have our climate controls, and beneath that, our USB connectivity, as well as auxiliary port and power option. The shifter is accented in chrome, as is the rest of the interior, really tying everything together and bringing the interior a much classier feel. The rear of the vehicle sports more of the ash gray premium fabric as we go to our rear folding 3-person bench seat. This bench seat does have a folding out armrest when pulling this tab, revealing 2 beverage holders for passengers in the rear. Additional amenities in the rear include the seat back storage, climate control vents, and USB charging. I did mention that the seats are folding, and this is super easy to do. All you do is you put your hand on the lever, pull forward, and the seat comes down with no effort. This gives way to additional cargo space and cargo configurations. With the rear liftgate open, we truly see how much cargo space there is in the vehicle, and it is capable of taking you on any trip you may need. We have our cargo tie downs as well as a 12-volt power option, and for child seats we have our tether points. If you have any questions about this vehicle, would like to know more, would like to see this utility for yourself, or take it for a test drive, contact us at Ontario Motor Sales. Our sales staff are knowledgeable and ready to help. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.